Ever wondered how to make your own pull-a-prize machine? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we dive into the world of upcycling, transforming everyday materials into something extraordinary. Imagine this: a cardboard box, some old toys or trinkets, a bit of string, a pair of scissors, some glue, and perhaps a dash of paint. That's all it takes to create your very own pull-a-prize machine. Start by taking your cardboard box and cutting it down to the desired size. Remember, this box will become your pull-a-prize machine, so make sure it's not too big or too small. Next, cut a hole in the top of the box. This is where you'll place your prizes. But we're not stopping there. Cut another hole in the front of the box. This is where your players will pull the tabs to reveal their prizes. Now, grab your prizes and tie some string to them. Thread the string through the hole you made at the top of your box and secure the prizes inside with some glue. Optional step: unleash your creativity and give your box a makeover with some paint. A splash of color can make all the difference. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The type of box, the prizes, the size of the hole, the paint colors, it's all up to you. And there you have it, your very own pull-a-prize machine made from upcycled materials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you decide to make your own pull-a-prize machine, I would love to see it. Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep upcycling.